got there, this here is what they call a full chain up here in Washington. And, put some little bungees on there to kind of help keep things taut, especially where the hooks are. And you always make sure that the hook part is out. And you always try and make sure to get this hook part out when you're hooked to your chain as best you can. This one's almost in, but it's close enough. I've been tinkering on this for a couple hours just because I'm done for the day. So, just the outside ones. I don't have 3 railers, but I've already been playing in the snow. It's only a couple inches deep right now, but you can see it's coming down. So, we're done playing. Go Team J Rose. Hoorah!